I want to know about. Woodpeckers. What was that bird? I don't see that bird. Those are owls. What is this bird?
The swift, the chimney swift.
What's a swift? Oh, I just saw a dove. My book. Now what's all about? Oops, I passed the. Oh, that's my goose. Isn't it?
That's the Canadian goose. Canada goose.
Herons, herons. Oh! Eagle.
Show me.
After eagle is osprey.
Mm-hmm.
And after osprey is eagle. No. Stork. What's a stork like? Oops, I just passed the titmouse. Sorry, but Nope. So the birds, I thought I had a titmouse. Ready? Oh, there it is. Look at that. I'm getting my pages.
Hey, what's that one?
What one?
The one where your hand is.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
The flicker.
Mm.
Oh, I just passed the titmouse again. Chickadee. Titmouse.
Show me the titmouse. Oh, he's adorable.
Oops.
That is super cute, Josephine. The tufted titmouse. Thank you for showing me that bird.
But that's not all the birds. I think I'll better look birds in here that. I had that bird. Somewhere in here. There it is.
What is it?
Pelican. And what number is it? 5 with a 9 friend. So where's 5 with a 9? This. Whoa. Oh, look at that bird. I need this. Whoa. Look at that. Mom, I'm doing it both ways. Look at that.
That's hard.
But I can do that. See? It's good. Now, where is that pelican?
What other birds do you like?
Gotta find that pelican. Oh, I guess that's that kernel. No. Where is that? How do I get that? Well, that's the kernel. That's everything.
What's that bird?
What bird?
Oh, you just passed it.
What is it? This bird?
Mm-hmm. Is it an egret?
Egret? I gotta find it again. I just closed the book. Here we go. And an egret. A swooping crane. This is a swooping crane.
Mm-hmm.
So, is it an egret? I don't know if it's an egret, but... Oh, I passed the pelican. Need that pelican.
Why do you like pelicans?
I haven't seen a pelican.
You've never seen a pelican in real life?
No. See?
Do you think you'll see a pelican one day?
I don't know. But what else do I have in here?